Doing an NYPD police video, but we're back with Subway Surf, guys. I hope you enjoy, but let's get started, guys. Okay, yeah, let's get started. Oh, I'm not missing any coins. Oh, look at my skills. Oh, he ain't gonna catch up to me. And boink, bang. Oh, of course I'll take a jetpack. See? Oh, ain't getting me. What's the matter, you guys? You can't get me? Oh. Psych. Wait, was that a glitch? How did the trains get past those guys? Like those, whatever, I don't know what they're called, but how did they get past that? That's like a glitch. If they get past, or if can't, they have to stop. No! Oh my. Oh, see, like, this is a glitch. There's literally a lot of trains here. Boing, bang, bang. Oh my. I'm just running fast right now. Boing. Oh, gee. Let's go. Bang. Bang. Whoa, no. Got it. Are you serious? Some dumb stuff here. Oh, that was so. Oh no! That was so close. Cause I died many times when they did that. Like when they're close to each other. Oh no! Yeah, I knew it. Alright, this time. See, like, guys, did you literally see that? That was a glitch. But anyways, if y'all want to join me in an NYPD game, police game, just hit the comments, join, and you can be in my video. Oh no! Alright, this is my last, no. Oh, snap! Dang it, I got 0. It's okay. I will watch it all, guys. Let me watch it all. Oh, but okay. I like this one so much. I love this so much. Yay! Oh, I'm upgrading. Oh my god! That's easily. Oh, that's just easily took it down. Oh, alright, this is done. Let's go back to the game we were playing, guys. I thought I was running, but I realized I was in the sky. Oh no. Oh my. This. Ah! Boink, bang, boink, bang. Ooh, did you see that, guys? Oh no! Oh no! Nobody wanna play this. Please, I don't wanna play this. Isn't music? What? Nobody ain't playing music titles. I don't like music titles. This ain't loading. But get some of that creamy butter. Creamy butter. Butter. Creamy butter. Creamy butter. Creamy. This is creamy. Creamy. Ah! Boing. Boing. Let's go. I got this jetpack. Yeah, he's but it's like when I hit something, like if I hit not a thing, I don't get it. How does he still catch up? Oh, I forgot. I was out of bouncies. I was out of bouncies, guys. Bouncy shoes. How is he even speeding? He ain't speeding, bruh. You want to pull him over? He probably an old man or something. I can't even steer the dumb thing. That's cheesy, guys. That's corny, right? That is cheesy. Cheesy corn. So cheesy. Boink, 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 boink. Oh, nobody can give me boink, boink. Oh no! Oh my! Why would I scream? Boink, bang, boink, bang. Boy, this is scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Super scary. Ah! What the Okay, yeah. No, look at that train. It's coming for me this game. What? What? See, like, guy. See. That's how, Speedy B is like. He'd be like, see, ah! I did not know that. To me, like, guys, on the screen, to me, it was like, it was like a whole freeway for me. Like down, the way wasn't blocked. And then, I just want to know, how does train split in the other train? How? And this is how Speed be like, I don't want my gamer. That's how he be crying when his PC hits his head. It's so funny. He shows the funny face, guys. You gotta watch him. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Now, boing, bang, bang. Oh my, look how much points I got. Oh, I need 8 keys. Where's your hair? Alright, I'm back, guys. What the heck? There shouldn't be. This is how Speed be like when his PC falls on his head. He'd be like, mother. And then he says bad words. He says all kinds of bad words. And then he said, this. Like, it'd be so funny. Nope. Ain't going nowhere. But no. No. Guess it. Wait. Let's go. How did I don't have time for it. Oh my god. My god, it just made a lot of money. Ooh, it's got the mix. Drop. Dude, are you serious? Oh my god.
A whoopee cushion.
Do you guys know what a
Whoopee cushion is?
Is it funny how I say, guys? Oh, whoopee cushion! A whoopee cushion! Where the points at? Yeah. Oh no! Man! You're in trouble, though. I got so much. Why does everyone want to be Jake? Why? When I'm Jake. This is some poopy stuff.
And anyway, we're gonna get started.
It goes, see, like, I go slower, and then it gets so much faster. Right? And then we're gonna sway. And it's so, so, so. Oh my god. It's so, oh my god, that was so, so, oh no. Guys. Hey guys. So guys, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I've got millions of Oreos. Oh no. See, like, how are they gonna cheat? He cheated, Mom, he cheated. Don't worry. How did I die to a what? Man, I got all the coins on it. Yeah, guys, I just died. Look at this dog, bro. Look at this dude. Oh, boy, and what happens? It was like, oh, I can use the skateboard 8 times. Let me use it. Where the heck is this skateboard? Whoa! Alright, guys, let's play this or something. Not to do. More NP. What is this? Oh, ew, who's this? Ew. Are you one to? Bro, it's supposed to be. Do you? Are you to start a new universe? Anyways, guys, we'll do that tomorrow. Goodbye.
What you gotta do is unlock it right here.